So after you've made sure that the unit has been shut down, you've removed the batteries, and you've moved the unit off the rail, you're going to remove the 4 screws that hold the plate in. That screw there, that screw there, that screw here, and the final screw is there. Once you've removed the 4 screws that hold it, rotate the plate around so that you can see the power supply. At this point, it is recommended that you take a picture of where the wires are located on the power supply. Also note the label orientation, because that will show you that the 2 wires that go to the bottom are on the in plus and the in minus on the bottom. At this point, you'll be loosening the screws along this row, the top and the bottom row, to take the wire connections off. You should note that at some of the terminals, the most wires that you can have on a terminal are 3 different connections, and there's only one scenario where you actually have those 3, and that's right here in the middle. So again, use your picture to denote where you took the wires off so you get them back in the exact right spot. After you remove all the wires, you will be left with the 2 jumpers. Be careful not to lose these jumpers. There's a red jumper here and a black jumper that runs for the common. Next, you will rotate the plate back around and you will remove the 4 small screws that hold the power supply to the plate. You will need a smaller tipped screwdriver to get into these screws to take those off. After you've removed the 4 small screws, you may need a flat blade screwdriver to pry the power supply off of the back plate due to the thermal compound that we put between the power supply and the plate.